No, that's never good.
Never. In 5 years we've been here. Never.
Put this down. Pero ya.
I know.
It's literally no place else to put it.
You haven't seen this much snow in 5 years, right, honey?
Even that last year we left Greenwood Lake wasn't that bad.
No, the ones we had some pretty good ones at Greenwood Lake.
Yeah, but not the one before we left. Not that winter before we left
Yeah.
wasn't that bad. But we've had them. Yeah, definitely. Oh, definitely. Sure does look beautiful.
Oh, yeah. If you don't have to touch it, it looks beautiful.
We need to get out. We need like snowshoes, like those snowshoes they use. They walk on the snow. That's what we need. Thank God it's only these steps.
Imagine, oh my God, over there. I know, that was a killer.
Because you couldn't go down and then walk up.
Yeah.
You have to do it, and this is hard when you do it this way. Almost there. We won't be out of here till Monday.
I know that. Well, Ivan is almost done with the stairs to the front entrance.
After 3 hours. We're alive! We're alive! We're alive! It's alive! Once you clear this up, you're still going to get another 4 inches of snow on top. Where do you put that?
On top of the other one.
Yeah.
We're on the third step. Right? Yep. They're hiding in the snow.
Somewhere.
Well, we're on the third step now. Really? Nobody heard that. It was the birds. You could hear the birds singing. It's so nice. In the snow. Almost done with the third step. One more to go.
No more steps. Here's the last step. That's it, baby. Steps are done. Never have we seen this railing like this, huh? Lately.
Okay, we've got the steps to the front of the house done. Now let's continue with everything else. Oh boy.
Okay, it's not a small driveway, right?
Yeah.
But still, it's tight. It's hard to get. It's tight.
Yeah.
So you're better off with not enough room on the side to put the machine in. Okay, home removal's done. At some point when I get over there, I guess you might as well let them out.
Yeah.
A ver si hacen algo aquí.
Yeah, no, I have to, yeah.
And believe me, they're not running away.
Tú ves que tú estás igual que yo.
No, mami, that's feo, me ayuda, mira.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Helps me with the momentum.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, this stuff gets stuck. Sticky. You like it? You like it?
How you doing? It's beautiful.
We get any more? Where are we going to put it? Ahí está la pregunta.
That will be next week.
Yeah, probably, yeah. This ain't over yet. Far from over, baby. And the book will have a short summer. Real short.
That's my name.